How to use a tripod to stabilize your shots. So gang, this is your standard tripod, kind of a 360 view of it, all the different parts, and it's pretty simple to use. It just takes, some are a little bit different, so you open the legs, stabilize it, and then you have this handle here that if you turn to the left, it will loosen a bit and you can tilt the top of the tripod. When you have it in the position you want it to be, you turn it to the right to steady it. This is the quick release plate, so you can take this out and attach a camera or a phone mount or iPad mount or something like that. This allows you to move the plate at the top up and down, so if you need it tilted in a certain direction. And then we have this middle screw, which actually raises the top of the tripod. So the tripod can be extended in several ways. That's one of them. Or you can also use the leg locks, which I'll be showing in a second here. So these are the leg locks, and most of them extend 3 ways, but you always want to make sure you lengthen and then lock in place each time to make sure that it's at the right spot. And that's pretty much all you need to know about a tripod. I mean, it's pretty simple. The tough thing can be attaching specific mounts to a tripod, but they're great for stabilizing your shots and making sure that everything's always at the same level. So in this one, I'm showing you how to use a bracket type mount for your tripod. So you remove the quick release plate, and you've got the tough part where you have to open up this little screw, and my hand's in the way here, but you basically flip open this little screw, you hold the bottom of the mount to it, and then you twist, and that will put it in place. Then you snap it back on the quick release plate, and then you can take your phone or your smaller device, and it's just a matter of lifting up and putting it in there. And these can mount both vertically and horizontally. So it's a nice, easy way to do them. So this is the next type of phone bracket, and it's a little less sturdy, but again, I start by removing the quick release plate, and these you can find at like Dollar Tree, Five Below. They're a little bit more rickety, but again, it's the point of opening up that little tab for the screw and then screwing them together. Making sure it's nice and tight, and then putting the plate back on the top of the tripod. And again, these are spring-loaded, the little mounts here, so they will adjust to any size phone. Just have to lift a little bit, and then it's in there, it's in place. So this next type of mount is for an iPad or tablet. So you can see that it's much bigger, and it can fit pretty much any size tablet that I've found. I've used it on Kindles and iPads and iPad minis. So again, you just attach the bottom the same way we've been doing it. I'm getting a little clumsy here with my fingers, but you get that on, and then you attach it to the tripod. There we go. Get it nice and tight and attach it. And now to get to the back, some people just automatically pull, but you've got to make sure that the lock is in a perpendicular or straight up and down mode. And then you're able to take your tablet, pop it in there. You want to press down a bit. Make sure you've got the camera in the right spot, which I didn't that first time. And then you lock it into place. And your tripod and iPad is ready to go. It's pretty sturdy. So the last thing that we can attach to a tripod is an actual camera. Most cameras, point and shoots or DSLR cameras, have a little hole on the bottom of them that is used to attach to a quick release plate. So it's just a matter of attaching it again, getting it nice and sturdy on there. And putting the camera and quick release plate back on the tripod. So again, a great way to stabilize your shots and reduce any sort of movement.